Hi friends, it's Barry, and today I want to show you how to find the number of digits of these two expressions when we multiply them. So let's take a look at the first one. We have the number 4 raised to the power of 5 multiplied by the number 5 raised to the power of 4. So let's try and do this. So we have 4 multiplied by itself 5 times, and then 5 multiplied by itself 4 times. So what I will do is to rewrite 4 as 2 squared. Okay, so 4 is 2 squared, and then we also have the 5. Then we multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 4. The next step we can do is to write the power of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 10, because 2 times 5 is 10, okay? Then we multiply that by 5 raised to the power of 4. At this point, notice that we have two different powers, 10 and 4. And what I want to do is to rewrite 2 raised to the power of 10 as 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4, and then multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10, so everything is the same. And what I want you to focus on is the powers 4 here. Now we can group them together and turn it into, so we have 2 raised to the power of 6, and then here we have 2 times 5, and the whole thing raised to the power of 4. Okay. Now, what is 2 times 5? Well, 2 times 5 is simply 10, okay? So 10 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 6, and that is just 64, okay? So now that we have this expression, 64 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4, that is just 64, and then we write 4 more zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 64, and then 10 raised to the power of 4. Now clearly we can see that there are 6 digits, so that's the answer for our first expression. There are 6 such digits. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, which I believe is a bit harder. So we have a cubed multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 8. So let's write it down here. So a cubed multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 8. Once again, we try to break down some of these numbers, and 8 we know to be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 cubed, okay? So we can rewrite the 8 here as 2 cubed. So bracket 2 cubed, and the whole thing, we cube it again, multiplied by 5, and then 8, okay? So now we can multiply these two powers together, so that gives us 2 raised to the power of 9 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 8. Now once again, if we look at the previous question around here, we should figure out what we do here. Notice the powers here are 9 and 8, and very luckily for us, we have 2 and 5. Okay, so we want to create some powers of 10, and we can do that by rewriting this expression as 2 raised to the power of 1, which is just itself, multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 8, and then 5 raised to the power of 8. Okay, so we have 2 times 5, 8. The 8 here comes from these two 8s, okay? And then once again, that is just, that is just 2, and then multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 8. So here we can see the number is just 2, and then we add 8 zeros at the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we can see that there are 9 digits. Okay. And that's our answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment your thoughts and approach, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.